Yo, what is up guys? It's Snake back with another video, and today I have another Supreme Spring Summer 2018 unboxing for you guys. I know I haven't made a video in about 2 weeks. I've been just super busy with school and baseball and stuff like that. So I've accumulated a couple stuff from the weeks past of Supreme, and I have a good amount of unboxings to do for you guys. Oh, there we go. And so let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing, and don't forget to smack that subscribe button. Alright guys, so like I said, I do have a lot of Supreme packages to unbox, so let's just go ahead and jump right into them. First I'm going to be unboxing this big wide package, as you can see right here. I'm pretty sure I know what's in here, but you know, you never know with Supreme packaging. You could have something that's really small in a big huge box and something that's decently sized in a little box. So first things first, we have the Supreme bag as always, just thrown off to the side. There's nothing inside of it. And we got these Supreme stickers. We got 2 BOGOs, so that'll go into the collection. Throw those over there. And you can see we just got some paper wrapped up here, so let's just go ahead and get that paper out and throw this box over to the side because we don't need that anymore. And going to unwrap this bad boy. And I'm pretty sure I know what this is now. All that wrapper, get that out of here. So we got this little white box, and we have the jar set. Now this is pretty weird. We do have 2 labels for the jars. I really don't understand why there's 2 labels. One of them's blacked out and one of them's not. This is 170 milliliter, and then this one is the I guess larger one is the 325 milliliter. But I don't know why this one's blacked out. You figured like if they were going to include these both in the same package, they just have one barcode, but I guess not. So let's just go ahead and crack this bad boy open and get a look at the jar set. So first things first, we got the 325 milliliter jar right here. We got the Supreme branding right there inside the glass, or on the glass I should say, right there. So that's the 325, and let's just go ahead and open up the smaller one, the 170, I'm pretty sure. Set this right there. Alright, so this box has nothing else in it, so we're just gonna undo this bad boy, and we have a smaller jar. Now the weird thing with this is I just noticed that the clasps, I should say, are not in the same place on each of these jars. Like if you compare this jar with the way this is right here to this one, both of the Supreme logos are facing towards you and they're not lined up at all. So I guess that doesn't really matter because they're just lids, but a little OCD, and I would like to have that fixed, but I guess you get what you get. Maybe I can twist that, but I don't want to damage it. So let's just go ahead and jump into the next package. So this one is a smaller little package right here. I don't know what any of these weeks are from because I have 4 of them. But just like always, nothing else in the bag. We do have a Supreme bag all folded up, and it looks like we have some BOGOs, of course. We got these BOGOs that looks like some candy cane. We got some Supreme candy cane BOGOs in here. So we'll just throw those over into the collection, and let's get into this little bag. And now this does look like the hair bobbies. I guess I can open these up. I'm gonna try to keep it nice for StockX, you know. Open it up very slowly. Alright. So right here, I guess we'll just slide these out like this. I'm not gonna open the actual hair bobbies all the way up, but you just got a little Supreme branding right here on the front. And then I'm gonna crack open this packaging right here. And the hair bobbies did come in a set of 2. I was hoping they would be bigger, put them in my car somewhere, but hopefully you guys can see that they're just really small box logos inside of acrylic, and they're hair bobbies. So that's pretty cool. Put those back in the package, and I will put it back into plastic later. So let's go ahead and jump into the next package. And now this one, I'm pretty sure I know what this one is because it just arrived today. This is from last week when the Supreme pinball machine dropped. So I'm pretty sure this is a beanie. I got a beanie which, you know, it's not that cool, but, you know, it had Supreme on it, and it gets a little cold in the winter, of course, so I had to snag it. Open this box up a little bit, or bag, I should say. Alright, there we go. Opened up, slide it on out. Alright, so we just got the Supreme bag as always. Take this bad stuff out of here. Nothing else in there. Okay, that's pretty cool. So I guess they put the Supreme stickers inside of the package, or like slid in there, so I guess they don't have to put some in there. But we got 2 BOGOs right here. Again, just slide them into the collection with all the other ones. And I am keeping this for myself, so I am going to go ahead and unbag it, I should say, and get this bad boy out of here. Put that off of here. And then these are pretty nice. They're not wool or anything, so they won't make you itch at all. And they're not going to be as warm as the wool beanies, but they won't make you itch, so that's pretty cool. And I was thinking that they were going to have a actual Supreme thicker patch, but I guess this is just like a little cloth patch that they stitched on there. It's pretty nice. I was wishing that it would be a hard patch, but that's all good. It was just a little mini box logo beanie. So we got that as well. I might as well just put this right here along with all the other stuff. And then we got one more package for you guys. This is a pretty small one, and it's pretty light. And I think I know what it is. If you guys watched my, I think it was my last live cop, which is kind of crazy because it's been a long time ago, about 3 weeks ago, I'm pretty sure, as the Supreme weeks, that is. And I'm pretty sure I caught a restock of the water bottle. Nothing else left in the box, of course. But yeah, I did sell my water bottle just because it was just sitting there on the shelf. I never really used it, but I made my money back and some more, of course, reselling it. And so I figured, why not get another one and do the same thing? So I got 2 more Supreme box logos, like I said, over to the collection. And here we go. We have the Supreme little water bottle right here, and that's about it, guys. So a pretty decent unboxing, I should say. And today is Wednesday, so another Supreme live cop should be out tomorrow. I'm going to be trying to do these regularly again, like I have been doing these last 2 weeks. I've just been super busy. So pretty good all in all video. I got the Supreme jar sets, the hair bobbies, the beanie, as well as the Supreme restock of the water bottles. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I promise you guys I'm going to be more consistent. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.